Oh my God, what the fuck? I have a coffee, so I'm happy. Mm. It's just so good. Yeah. I just love. Uh, like, what do you guys want to see on here? Like this channel. Like this channel is just my new channel of just doing whatever I want, talking about my hair health journey, my favorites, fashion, music, anything. Like, what do you guys want to see? And I will do it. I will do it for you.